Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to fix error while converting data type from Varchar to float. So this is one of the very frequently getting errors while writing the code in SQL Server. Okay. So first I will show my table. So this is my sample data table. So where you see only one column. So if you observe the data in the column, so you see here both float values and also characters also there in the table. Okay. Now if you check the data type of this value, it is showing varchar. Now I want to convert this value as float data. So for that I am using cast function. Cast value is a column name as float. You will get this error. Error converting data type varchar to float. Now the same query, so I want to convert with using convert function. Convert, okay, float, convert float data type, comma your column name value. Again the error. In this scenario, how to fix this error? So how to handle this error? So we can use here try cast or try convert from sample data. So by using try cast and try convert, we can handle this error. So here I am applying try cast function. Try cast so value as float. So I am using try cast function to convert this varchar type to float. See, but you have got the nulls here because these two values have some letters, some characters also there. So other than these two, you can see everything is numerical values. Okay. So the same thing you can apply using try convert function also. Try convert float comma value. When you are trying to use the cast and convert function, you will get this error converting data type varchar to float. But we can overcome this by using try cast and try convert functions. Okay. So you can also use case statement. By writing case statement also we can overcome. So I will write here select value comma case when is numeric is the function to check the value whether it is numerical value or not. It returns 1 or 0. If the numeric value is 1, then cast value as float, else null, and as float value from sample data. Okay. See here. So all these are float values. So the values that are not in the numerics, you will see null. So by writing case statement. So in the is numeric value is 1. So if this value is 1, then it will return, it will convert the value as a float. Otherwise it will show null. So by these three methods you can overcome the error. So error converting data type varchar to float. So by using try-cast method and by using case statement, you can overcome this error. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.